Hi there! In this video, I'll show you how to change template in Wix 2023. To start, open manage.wix.com and don't forget to log in. Once you're in, click on My Sites and then go to My Sites. Wait for it to load. Once it has loaded, go to Create a New Site. Proceed on creating a new site. Wait for it to load once again. Once the website has loaded, you can now create your website. In this example, I'll be using Online Store. It's going to be Online Accessory Store. And then I'm going to click on Next. Alright, so let's give it a name. In this example, I'll be using Resign Art Jewelry. Click on Next again. Once done, this will lead you to this window. All you gotta do right now is click on Next. After clicking Next, instead of clicking Go to Dashboard, click on Begin with a Template. And click that. Wait for it to load. And that's it. These are the templates that you could use. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, share, subscribe.